The boys on the dance floor right there. Good evening po, SM City Rosales. How you guys doing? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Alright, okay. Medyo pasensya na po mga kaibigan. Medyo na-late kami ng konti. Hindi ko akalain itong lugar na ito. Pagkasinan na pala. Alright, mga... Anong ba tawag sa pagkasinan? Pagkalatok? Ano? Ilocano! Ayun, okay. Sample nga dyan ng greeting ng Ilocano. Okay, anyway, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for being here with us this evening. And of course, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rick Striker. I'm going to be your host for this evening. Palakpakan naman dyan! Alright, and we're here, by the way, to promote the latest album of Mark Harris under Universal Records and Leader Music. It contains 13 tracks, okay, 13 of the hottest dance tracks, plus one music video, and it is available at your favorite music store, and of course, as a department store, for only 250 pesos. And the title of the Kara single is Kulos. And the meaning of kulos, by the way, is what? Sino nakakaalam dito ng ibig sabihin ng kulos? Anybody right here? Anybody right here? Wala? Okay, so, ang ibig sabihin po ng kulos, mga kaibigan, it means butt, alright? So, we're gonna move in and shake in your butt the whole night right here at the SM City Rosales. So, okay ba yan? Alright, so, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be throwing some questions, and if you can answer those questions, I'm going to give you a poster, okay? So, right after the show, you can meet and greet the bad boy on the dance floor, alright? So, eto na po mga kaibigan, the first question. Okay, what's the title of Mark's album? Okay, so just raise your hand, kaso lang po ang inyong